Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to grab a still in DaVinci Resolve, extract high-quality image from video, easy DaVinci Resolve tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open your DaVinci Resolve onto your device and open a project. So I'm currently onto my project right now and I have different clips in here that we could use. So we're gonna use this one, this specific video in here to go ahead and grab a still. So for us to be able to use this, we're gonna go ahead and add this. So we're gonna go ahead and adjust this. Now, once you have chosen a part wherein you wanna go ahead and grab, so for example, this part, we're gonna click onto this icon in here. So once you have clicked onto that, it should go ahead and change the settings in here. So it should look something like this. And as you can see, it will go ahead and show you a pen tool as well in here. You'll just have to simply right click onto this and there should be an option for you to grab still. Click onto that and right after, the still created should be shown in here. Click on export. Right after, it will go ahead and ask you where you want to export this. So let's choose in a folder and also don't forget to go ahead and change the file type for that. We're going to use PNG and we're going to click on to export. So once that one is done, just go ahead and open the file folder wherein you've gone ahead and saved that specific file. So if you've opened that one, you should be able to see the grab still that you have exported. And that is how easy you could grab a still in DaVinci Resolve. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.